Number 1. 1975 Ford F150, price $9,000, well-maintained classic pickup showing 175,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a white exterior paired with a distinctive orange interior, giving it a bold and vintage look. Powered by a 360 FE engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, this four-wheel drive truck delivers strong and reliable performance. It has been updated with new front-end bushings, a newer exhaust system, and an aluminum radiator to improve durability and cooling efficiency. The truck also sits on brand-new Cooper Discoverer all-terrain tires, enhancing both its appearance and off-road capability. Cab lights add to its classic styling and presence. In addition to the vehicle itself, the sale includes several spare parts, including a 390 FE engine board .30 over and various other extras. Number 2. 1998 Toyota Tacoma, price $4,995. It has accumulated 235,000 miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and stands out with its distinctive purple exterior, complemented by a clean gray interior that gives the truck a unique and stylish look. This Tacoma comes with a clean title and shows no accidents or damage reported to Carfax, providing added peace of mind. It has had only 2 previous owners and includes 7 documented service history records, indicating that it has been consistently maintained throughout its life. Powered by a dependable 2.4-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive configuration offers a balance of reliability and efficiency. Known for its durability, the Tacoma platform has a strong reputation for long-term performance, making this truck a solid choice for daily driving, commuting, or light hauling needs. Number 3. 1982 Volkswagen Rabbit, price $7,500. It currently shows approximately 294,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, offering a true vintage driving experience. The truck features a silver exterior complemented by a blue interior, giving it a timeless and distinctive look. Powered by a reliable diesel engine, it delivers the durability and efficiency that these older Volkswagen models are known for. The vehicle has had only 2 owners since new, with the current owner having kept it since the mid-1980s. It has recently received newer paint and an updated interior, helping preserve its appearance while maintaining its original character. A new battery has been installed, and the truck runs great, starting reliably and driving well. Included in the sale are 2 maintenance manuals along with complete service records, providing valuable documentation of its history and care. Number 4. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, well-kept full-size pickup with 185,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and comes in a burgundy exterior with a gray interior. The truck holds a clean title and is powered by a strong running engine and transmission. It has a brand new, complete HVAC system with excellent heat and AC performance. The interior is very clean, with sound deadening added and the carpet properly reinstalled. The floor pans have been cleaned, sealed, and protected, and the vinyl flooring underneath remains in excellent condition. The frame and body are solid overall. For full transparency, there is a small dent on the roof above the passenger side rear quarter and a minor coolant leak. Number 5. 1997 Ford F250, price $4,999. Dependable and rugged truck designed for those who need both power and practicality. Featuring a durable engine, a strong transmission, and a solid frame, it delivers the performance required for demanding work, towing heavy loads, or tackling off-road adventures with confidence. The truck's spacious bed provides ample room for hauling tools, equipment, or gear, making it ideal for both work and recreational use. Inside, the cabin is simple yet functional, offering comfort on long drives while standing up to everyday wear and tear. Built Ford tough, this F250 combines reliability, utility, and strength, making it a capable companion for years of dependable service. Number 6. 1991 Chevrolet 3500, price $4,900, robust and reliable truck with 275,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a powerful 454 engine paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission, offering smooth performance for both work and leisure. The truck features a white exterior and a well-maintained blue interior, which is simple yet functional, designed to provide comfort on long drives while withstanding everyday use. Additional features include power windows, a tilt steering wheel, and a lowered stance, enhancing both convenience and driving experience. The spacious bed makes it ideal for hauling tools, equipment, or gear, combining practicality with strength. This well-kept truck has 2021 tags and a clean title in hand, reflecting its careful maintenance and overall excellent condition. Number 7. 1988 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,000, well-maintained classic pickup that has traveled 179,000 miles. Powered by a reliable 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this 2WD truck runs and drives exceptionally well. Its exterior is a clean white, complemented by a blue interior that is both simple and functional, designed to keep occupants comfortable on long drives while withstanding daily use. This 38-year-old truck boasts a very straight body with no rust, a solid frame, and a durable drivetrain, reflecting its careful upkeep over the years. The interior is tidy and practical, while the spacious bed offers plenty of room for hauling tools, equipment, or gear, making it a versatile workhorse. Additionally, the vehicle sits on new tires, further enhancing its readiness for the road. Number 8. 1991 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500, well-maintained 4x4 truck with 156,000 miles, powered by a 5.7L V8 and a 4L60E 4-speed automatic transmission. Finished in silver with a gray interior, the cabin is in excellent condition with minimal wear, and the body is straight with only a few minor dings. All maintenance has been done, including a fresh oil change and filter. Recent upgrades include a new battery, ignition module, power steering pump seal, and TCC solenoid. It rides on durable 10-ply all-season tires, with a spacious bed for hauling and a simple, functional interior built for comfort and durability. The Chevrolet 2500 combines practicality, power, and reliability, ready for work or daily driving. Number 9. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500, with 175,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission that was replaced just 2 months ago, currently showing 90,000 miles, ensuring smooth and reliable shifting. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this truck combines style with functionality. Equipped with power windows, power locks, running boards, and a tow package, it offers both convenience and capability. The interior is simple yet functional, designed to provide comfort during long drives while enduring everyday use. The spacious bed makes it ideal for hauling tools, equipment, or gear, making the truck practical for work or recreational use. Despite its age, it shows very little rust and remains in good condition both inside and out. Number 10. 1989 Ford F250, price $3,950, equipped with a manual transmission, power steering, and power brakes. This model features the reliable 306-cylinder gasoline engine. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a charcoal interior that remains in great shape, while the original paint shows minimal wear and there is no rust. The truck has received many new parts, including newer tires and a bedliner, and it recently passed inspection. The title is clean and in hand. Inside, the cabin is simple yet functional, offering comfort for long drives while withstanding daily use. The spacious bed provides ample room for hauling tools, equipment, or gear, making this truck both practical and powerful.